Okay, I hope this angle works. Let's start out here. Well, that's the bundle. All right, the Insta. They always make these things a freaking puzzle to get open, man. So, whoa, that thing's got some weight to it. I wonder how that's going to be out there on the end of that rod. I wasn't expecting that to be that heavy. But you know what the rule with electronics are. The heavier they are, the better they work. So, helpful tips. So this is all just telling you what to use for a SD card and stuff. But yeah, that thing's got some weight to it, man. So, looks like that is crying out loud. I think everybody in this world got fingers like a 2-year-old. Oh, okay. Looks like a carrying case. Got our charging cord inside. Looks like a lens cleaning cloth. And that is it, I do believe, for the actual camera. That's nothing. There's my handy instruction booklets. Looks like it's got a QR code to scan to get your user manual and everything. So, okay, the camera itself. And of course, selfie stick. Well, this is not a selfie stick. This is the invisible stick, so it doesn't show up on the video. I'm curious as to how sturdy this thing is myself. Oh, there we go. It's pretty sturdy. So, we got that. And the motorcycle mount. That figures. Somebody is butchering the hell out of this song. Yeah. The only good cover of Whiskey in the Jarro that I've ever heard was Metallica. They did a really good job. I don't know who this is, but they're fucking, they're tearing that song up. Okay, we got suction cup mounts, which I might as well just throw away now because I don't trust them. I'm not going to spend $500 something for a camera and trust it to a suction cup. Are you? Not sure what I'm dealing with here. I got connectors. This is for the rod. Connect it to the bike or the handlebars. Connect the rod on here. Yeah. That's what that setup is. And I'm assuming the same setup for the handlebar mount. And I've got a couple of adapters here for different tool to tighten everything with. It's pretty basic, but what do you expect for 50 bucks? But it's going to get the job done. It's going to do everything I need it to do. I can't listen to this anymore. I don't know who the hell's singing that song, but they're just... ugh. Anyway, that's it, guys. This is what $760 buys you in the Insta 360 camera world. That's it. So I'm going to play around later on and try to see what I can set up on my bike and where I want to mount things and everything. And I cannot wait to get out there and try this. Yeah, that GoPro failed me again, and I'm just tired of it. So there it is, guys. I will, of course, be making some videos with this. This camera, I mean, yeah. This is going to be awesome. And I can just scroll through and choose what image from 360 degrees around me that I want to use in my videos. I've wanted one of these for a long time. I was going to spend some of that money on getting me some crash bars for the bike. There was a couple things I was going to get for the bike with that money, but the whole reason I bought these cameras and everything is so that I can send videos to my mom, so she can vicariously live on rides, you know, through me. Doesn't do me any good if I don't have a camera, does it? But anyways, that's the deal, and I can't wait to take videos. Talk to you guys later.